Hello everybody and welcome back to another Stand Can tutorial. Welcome to the step-by-step guide on how to crochet Kenny Koala, which is one of the Snuggle Buddy crochet kits. In this video I'm going to take you step by step on what you get in your crochet kit. This playlist will take you step by step on how to make your Kenny Koala. So let's get started with today's video. Right, so I'm going to start by just undoing the box, and you can see here it is. It's full to the brim with everything you need to crochet your own Kenny Koala. So start by pulling out everything. So first you have a little ball of white Hello Love yarn, and this is to do the hands of Kenny Koala. You then have a small bag of toy stuffing. This is to stuff the feet and the head. You then get your pattern booklet with a stitch marker, 2 crochet hooks, and then some black and white yarn. This is to do the features on the eyes and the nose. And then finally, in the box, you get 2 balls of Hello Love yarn. This is in the shade slate grey. And this is the Hello Love yarn. I'm just going to take the packaging off of the balls of wool. Just like that. So, that is everything you get in your Kenny Koala Stand Can crochet kit. With that in mind, let's get started with your Kenny Koala.